After you finish your design, you'll likely need to share it with others. A drawing layout organizes one or more views of your design on a virtual sheet of paper. A layout usually contains a title block, one or more viewports, and annotation. Let's take a look at the steps for creating a layout. The number of layouts in your drawing depends on the template you use to create the drawing. You can edit existing layouts or create new ones. I'll create a new layout by clicking the plus sign at the Layout tabs. All new layouts include a default page setup and viewports. The viewport controls which area of the design to show and at which scale. For this layout, I'll show you how to edit the page setup, insert a title block, and create your own viewport. I'll start by erasing the default viewport. I'll use the Page Setup Manager to change the output device and paper size for the layout. Now I'm ready to insert my title block. First, I'll set the title block layer current and use the Insert command to insert my title block. Next, I'll define a viewport to display my design. I set the viewport layer current and create a new viewport. I'll size the viewport to fit inside my title block. I can select my viewport to change the scale at which my design is displayed. Then choose an appropriate scale from the list of predefined options. Once my layout is ready, I'll click Plot from the toolbar. I can select a page setup with predefined plot settings. I can also import a page setup from another drawing. The page setup includes the plotter, paper size, orientation, scale, and more. I'll click Preview to view my drawing as a PDF. When I'm ready, I'll click Plot.